Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cookware Brand's Facebook Live. I'm Paul, your host.
I'm Anna, your culinary specialist. Hi, Paul, and hi to all of our viewers.
And today is a very special day for Chef Anna because she's celebrating her birthday. So batiin naman natin si Chef Anna. So happy birthday, Chef!
Hey, thank you, Paul.
So last April 5, nag-enjoy tayo with that 2-in-1 recipe in that episode. So Chef Anna actually prepared for us our hamburger patty using the cream dory fish with the help of our hamburger press and keeper set. And at the same time, na-enjoy natin yung very light yet filling na honey salad with the use of our Handy Spiralizer. So Chef, actually, ang sarap ng dinner ko nung araw na yon kasi nga I had that complete meal. So as mentioned, very light yet very filling, and at the same time, it's very healthy kasi nga I get to have my intake of veggie in my meal. So yung mga ganun, Chef, ang actually inaabangan ko. So magkakaroon pa ba tayo ng maraming ganun, Chef?
Yay! Thank you, Paul. That's a very nice step, that you want to eat more veggies. Kaya today, I want to share with you a pasta dish, spaghetti. Siyempre, may birthday, dapat laging may spaghetti. But there's a twist to it. Instead of using mga flour or semolina-based pasta, what we're going to use na main ingredient natin for the pasta is the sweet potato.
Wow, Chef, parang first time ko ata maririnig na sweet potatoes as an alternative to the regular pasta. Hindi ba tedious or mahirap gawin yan, Chef?
Well, not really. Thanks to Tupperware's newest Handy Spiral kasi we're able to replicate spaghetti using mga vegetables such as sweet potatoes, or cucumber or zucchini. Kasi I've noticed, diba, yung mga nag-gym, yung mga nag-diet, you always use sweet potato. It's very filling, but if I'm not mistaken, mababa din siya sa glycemic index. So it's okay din siya sa mga medyo diabetic and mga nagko-control ng sugar.
Wow, definitely a good alternative, Chef.
First things first, so let's start making our shrimp arrabbiata sauce. So what I have here is fire fry pan, and in my speedy chopper, I will just process yung onion and garlic. Dapat minced siya. Then I will add olive oil. And here's my onion and garlic. This is very easy. Lahat ng pasta dish usually start staying with olive oil. Okay.
And then we just pour in one by one the ingredients, Chef. Very easy to follow.
Sorry, Paul?
So we just pour lang po the ingredients one by one for the sauce. So very easy po to follow.
And then you have to stage it until soft. It's very important that we do proper sautéing, para yung flavors of onion and garlic extract. And then you will be needing some, what they usually pag dito, on the skins, yung mga pwede, yung bottled na tomato sauce. Then some shrimp. Then add tayo salt, pepper, sugar, and some chili flakes.
So may spicy pala itong magiging sauce natin, Chef.
Yun kasi ibig sabihin yung arrabbiata, spicy in Italian.
Arrabbiata spicy. Yan. Diba?
Arrabbiata sauce. Okay, so medyo soft na yung onion and garlic. We will now add our tomato sauce.
Sauce.
It's very easy to po. Kaya tayo gawin to. Parang one pot dish siya. Ilagay mo na lahat. Then you just have to simmer it. And siguro mga 15 to 20 minutes until the flavors develop. So, pwede na tayo magbigay ng give this a good mix. Then I will season this with some salt. and some pepper. I'm actually using the spice shaker, so this is very nice. Kasi you can actually see kung ano yung ingredient na nasa loob. And pag nasa cabinet, really organized as well. So, sa mga mahilig magluto, this is a nice must-have for you guys. Then, of course, chili flakes. But yun nga, as much as kanina, meron sa Arabiano sauce.
Meron siyang konting
Yes,
so very useful no, ang ating 4-piece spice set. Kagaya na mention mo, no? They're very efficient, perfect to actually store our spices and herbs. Plus, maganda siyang added decor in our kitchen countertops.
Yeah. Especially in the Philippines, di ba po, it's very humid. So, kapag hindi properly stored yung mga ingredients natin, medyo mag-plump-plump siya.
Mako-compromise yung quality. So, when throwing them out. So, perfect po talaga ang 4-piece spice set. Yes.
Okay.
Next, chef.
We'll add some sugar. Medyo maasim kasi yung tomato sauce natin. Tapos, konti lang naman. Just to balance yung sourness ng ating sauce. Maybe about 2 teaspoons. Pwede na. Just to balance that. And then, we will simmer this until yung flavors niya mag-develop. So, while we are waiting for the sauce na mag-simmer and maluto, nagawa tayo ng sweet potato na noodles. Tip lang din, no? It's very important kapag nagluto kayo ng mga tomato-based na dishes. Dapat talaga pinapakuluan siya ng atodo kasi parang hindi yun siya mabilis mapanis. Yung mga tomato-based, yes, isa siya sa medyo mabilis mapanis ng sauce. Kapag hindi siya napakuluan ng maayos, kapag hindi siya napalamig din ng maayos.
So, dapat i-store din natin siya, chef, sa ating freezer mates, no? Para is talaga mapoprotect niya yung kanyang quality.
That's what I usually do, Paul, no? Nagluto ako ng meat sauce or bolognese kasi dito sa trabaho siya gawin. I do it in batches, cook it for about 2 hours, then allow it to cool down, tapos dinidivide ko siya into 3 1-liter freezer mates, just this one. Para pagka nag-crave kami ng pasta o tinatamat ako mag-luto, iinit ko na lang siya.
Good tip and great hack, chef.
Okay, so now move on to our sweet potato. So what I'm going to use is the newest Handy Spiral, diba? Usually it comes with a plate cone. Sinalagay ko lang siya on top of the body. Tapos slide ko siya para mag-lock. So talaga stable siya and sturdy yan. And then yung veggie holder. So it comes with a plate. Ang gagawin ko is attach ko lang yung veggie. To make sure na stable siya pag nagka-cut ako. Guys, see it? Okay. And then I will start spiralizing.
Ayan. So, chef, no, now with the help of our newest product, which is the Handy Spiralizer, we can effortlessly do our veggie spirals, no? Very good or great alternative, no, to the usual noodles na ginagamit natin. So again, as mentioned by Chef Anna, no, the Handy Spiralizer is very easy to use, no. So it's very compact, it's very space-saving, at the same time, no, it's very safe to use kasi nga, as mentioned, no, meron siyang locking mechanism, so you're sure na stable siya, no, once you do your spiralizing. It has a finger protector, no, to keep your hands away, no, away from yung blade na nag-create nga ng ating mga spirals. And best of all, no, yung kagaya ng sauce na nakita natin kanina, no, Chef Anna is actually using our universal cookware. So it's actually a guarantee, no, for healthier, for quicker, and for even cooking, no, with the universal cookware. And kagaya na nabanggit nga ni Chef Anna, no, from last week, no, we actually made use of yung mga hard na vegetables for our noodles. Kagaya ng ginamit natin last time for the candy salad, we saw the use of zucchini. So ngayon naman is sweet potato. So for the use of sweet potatoes, so bakit sweet potatoes? Actually, sweet potatoes po, no, are very rich in fiber and antioxidants, kaya they support gut Yep. And ang ganda nga nung nagawang curls ni Chef Anna, very even, very uniform, tsaka siya very fine. So para ka rin talagang kumakain ng noodles. So other than that, sweet potatoes din nga, they may have cancer properties against cancer. So very good nga siyang kainin. And at the same time, it supports our healthy eyesight, and at the same time, brain function. So all in one, ang dami, both the ingredients and at the same time, the tools that we're using are also pertinent of healthy, home-cooked, better choices, veggie meals. Ayan.
Ayan po, so our sauce has been simmering for a while. So once na mag-develop yung flavor na, tama na yung flavor niya, and all of the seasoning, we can add our shrimp. So optional naman yung shrimp. You can use tuna and broth. Really good chicken, but since we want some lighter meals, syempre, that's why we go for shrimp or tuna. So, hintayin lang natin na mag-orange yung ating sauce. Then, add our beautiful sweet potato spaghetti na spiralized using our Handy Spiralizer. Okay, just cook this. I'll just increase heat. Medyo mabilis cook yung shrimp, And there's actually two ways for you to do this. It's either you add the sweet potato directly dun sa pan, tapos you have to cook it until soft and wilted. Or the second option is yung spiralized veggies. You could stay it using olive oil, tapos you just have to cook it until soft. But napansin ko, mas masarap yung nakakat siya sa pasta kasi combination ng sweet, spicy, and sour stuff. Medyo kapag siya ng contact. So parang medyo mas masarap. Mas na-absorb yung sweet potato flavors of that tomato. Yan. So medyo share natin. And I'm just going to add something noodles. Sinet aside ko ng konting shrimp para it's easy to toss and cook our okay.
So, Chef, ang dali lang pala ng ating recipe, And again, as you mentioned, it's actually a better option, Especially for those who want to reduce their consumption of refined carbohydrates. So, when we say refined carbohydrates po, ito po yung kinakain natin lagi in the presence of rice, flour, and yung ating mga pasta noodles. And for those, syempre, yung who want to maintain their sugar levels, so very apt nga po and appropriate po na we turn to our complex carbohydrates, which are basically our vegetables. Kaya napakaganda talaga nitong ating recipe for this afternoon.
That's very cool. Kaya mo gawin ito, diba? So, after this, we're mga few minutes lang. You can just remove this from heat until mag-soft and mag-build na yung sweet potato. Then, just transfer this to a plate. Then, we're done.
Wow, Chef. So guys, ayan nakita natin this afternoon, na it's actually to give a twist to our usual spaghetti or pasta, we can actually make use of veggie spirals with the help of our Handy Spiralizer. So again, it encourages us to actually increase our intake of vegetables, which are good for us. And for moms, for mommies and moms like Chef Anna who have kids, so using this recipe, you can actually teach your kids to eat on pasta with the help nga of vegetables. Incorporated po yung vegetables in the noodles. So hindi na kayo magiging challenge or mahihirapan na pakainin sila. So guys, what are you all waiting for? Get your own Handy Spiralizer now. So thank you for that wonderful recipe, Chef Anna. So guys, we look forward to your own creations using our Handy Spiralizer. So please continue to follow us on our social media accounts, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. That's both at Tupperware Brands page, and we're also on Twitter at Top Brands. That's TUPP Brands page. So this has been your host, Paul, and we look forward to seeing you once again on our next episode. Bye for now.
Bye everyone. Thank you.